Richo, I'm going to show you my really easy peasy choc oat hemp ball, which kids can have.
Easy peasy choc oat hemp ball.
Correct.
Which kids can have.
And I like the cadence with which you delivered the title of the recipe. Thank you. But this is really easy. It's actually filled with quite a bit of goodness. So I know we're talking chocolate today, and I'm going to show you a little bit of chocolate in moderation, which kids can still enjoy on the run because they need one hand.
My kids don't like dark chocolate. I know that if I want to have chocolate lying around, I'll just buy dark chocolate and they won't touch it. But you're going to sweeten it up with some nice things, aren't you?
Yeah, I am, and some goodness. Yeah. So I've got some oats here, and oats are really good for you. They're a great source of fibre. They're really good for your cholesterol, so they're good for adults and for kids. So that's the basis of these. Could you just chop off maybe half the block, roughly, for me, please?
I can do that for you.
Wonderful. So everything's going in here. This is a one bowl chocolate wonder. I'm going to put in about half a cup of honey. So...
I'm liking this. I love honey. It's my favourite sweetener because those little busy bees have been working really hard to make that lovely golden syrup nice and sweet for us to put on our porridge or in our coffee in the morning.
He's using honey for a lot of things. I love that you have mentioned honey and bees because actually bees are so cool and honey is so good for you in moderation.
It is?
Yeah, absolutely. Peanut butter is integral to this dish. Now, you need to use a really non-natural, normal peanut butter, please.
I love peanut butter and honey sandwiches. I love peanut butter and jam sandwiches. Hey, have you noticed where the kids are really, really happy and they're running around, bouncing into walls and excited? That's because there's a lot of honey in there. Honey gives them joy and gives them excitement and plenty of energy.
Flaxseed ground. So this is a little bit more goodness, a bit of fibre that goes into the little balls that we're making. And then the little special touch is hemp seed. So this gives you a little bit of the omega fatty acids, a little bit of zinc, extra fibre. So you've got the chocolate, yes, but you've got lots of other goodness too.
I'm loving it.
Yeah, good. You're loving it. I like it. So this goes in. We put about a tablespoon. You can put a bit extra. I'll give that to you, Richo. Now's the exciting bit, and this is why I like dishes like this.
Feel that excitement just building up and fantastic.
I feel like sarcasm from Richo. But anyway, I'll tell you the difference between Richo and I. His chocolate dish will have 16,000 steps in it, and it will make everyone quite anxious, possibly with the amount of dishes you have to clean. Whereas mine, you see, is one bowl wonder, filled with goodness and a little bit of chocolate. Now, this has to be really nicely mixed together, and that's, yeah, go for it. Yeah, loves it. So the peanut butter in here, Richo, is a really nice way for kids, if you're trying to get peanut protein into their diet and keep it in their diet, this is a nice way to do it. So it's all about reducing the risk of food allergies.
Put chocolate with anything and I bet you it's really, really nice.
Really good. OK, so Richo, this goes into the fridge for 2 hours. It just makes it easier to work with to hold it into a ball. You stick here for 2 hours and I'll pop this in the fridge. Richo, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the fridge.
Fantastic.
It will hold together nicely. You give me your pour and I am going to scoop a bit of this out, put it in there.
Oh, that's lovely. And what do I do, just roll it around?
Correct.
Okay, so what sort of shape are you looking for, like a...
golf ball.
Oh, got it, that's about
Perfect. Pop it on here for me. Wonderful. So this is a really good snack. This is great to serve as dessert or if people are coming over, whatever you like. But it's packed with goodness. You've got the oats, you've got the hemp seeds, you've got the ground flaxseed. Pop it on.
I reckon you'd like to have these handy at all times, just in case someone knocks on the door, rings the doorbell, you've got these on a platter ready to go.
Richo threatens me with constantly knocking on my door, you are correct. Could you chuck some berries, please?
I can put some berries.
I'm waiting for the doorbell to go and it will be Richo. But look at all this, you can make a big pack, you can keep them in the fridge. Oh, nice. I was going to scatter them round, but go for it.
Pop that on top there like that. Does that look good?
Yes. There you go. Chocolate in moderation, packed with goodness. You've got the hemp seeds with all the extra nutrition in it.
I can have a taste of that.
Go on.
All right, I'm going to take the raspberry off, pop it in the mouth. I'm going to take a piece of this.
I might steal a piece of yours to taste. Is that okay?
I like it. It's got that real oaty sort of flavour. The chocolate's in there. I love the peanut butter and the honey. That's a winner for me. It is quite substantial. I know this is going to give me energy for the rest of the day. This with a coffee in the morning, double espresso, 3 sugars in it and a Panadol would be a ripper for me.
It's delicious, it's packed with goodness and you can have it on the go.